Hey guys, a quick disclaimer before I start today's video. A few of you have been sending me messages on Facebook and YouTube saying, I really appreciate your videos. You've given me the courage to take my small kayak onto Lake St Clair because you do it. Well, I just want to let you guys know two things, all right? One, I'm f***ing crazy. And two, I've got a lot of experience doing this now. 2 years ago when I started kayak fishing, I didn't go 1 mile out onto Lake St Clair, okay? I started on smaller bodies of water and I built up my confidence, and now, after 2 years, I'm finally confident to come out farther out onto Lake St Clair. But there's a lot that goes into it. You got to be very cautious out here. Got to always have your head on a swivel because people don't see you, man. So just because you watch my videos, please don't get in your kayak and come 1 mile out here if you're not prepared, okay? Do your homework, practice on smaller bodies of water, and then once you're really confident in your equipment and your ability, then I'll see you guys out here, okay? Let's get on with the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back out on Lake St Clair in the search for smallmouth bass. Having a fantastic time out here today, guys. It's a little choppy now, but this morning it was absolutely beautiful, perfect conditions. I already found a few schools of smallies, a couple bigs. If you want to see how my day went, make sure you stay tuned and you'll find out. There we go. All right, guys, first one of the day, pretty early too. Not a big one, but I didn't think I had him hooked really good, so I wanted to net him. Let's see. And I actually got him top dead center there. You see that? Got him pretty good. So I guess I didn't need the net, but I didn't think I hooked him that good. Alright guys, so first one of the day, not a very big one to start it off, not like we had last time, but that's a good sign to catch one that early, just like that, so I'll take it. Alright guys, so last time I really talked up that EWG Ned Hook by Parabellum Baits. I'm still using that. I didn't really show you guys what it looked like last time though, so that's what I'm using. That's what I'm putting my my soft plastics on today. So I really like these. So far I've had no problem getting hook sets on them, despite the fact that I'm fishing kind of weedless, so I really enjoy these. There we go. Can't tell if it's a good one or not. That's decent. Oh, I see it. It's a big one, guys. That's a good one. Shoot, that's a real good one. That might, oh man, that might be like a 4-pounder. He wasn't fighting good at first. That is a big fish, guys. Oh, you know what? Oh man, I thought I had a catfish for a second. That's a smallie. Whew. Wow. All right. Whew. All right, man, that's a good one, guys. Real good one. You know what I was doing? I hadn't caught one in a long time. I was paddling, trying to find a different spot, and I just saw a bump on the bottom of the of my graph there, and I figured it was either a weed or a fish, and pretty sure that's what I saw. Look at that, guys. On the Ned rig again. What an awesome, awesome fish, man. Uh-oh, there goes my net. Good to know my net floats. All right. Alright guys, so let's try that again. Look at that. Just an awesome fish, guys, on the Ned rig. Don't know if that's a bass boat coming. If it is, I gotta hold this fish down a little bit so they don't see it. It is. Alright, so finally got him unhooked, man. Just an amazing, amazing fish, guys. And I needed that because it had been quite a while. I got one on my 5th cast about, and this is the first fish in a couple hours, so really excited about that. Appreciate the bite, buddy. There we go, got another one. About 2 casts later, guys. Better waypoint this spot. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, he's fighting good. He doesn't look that big, but he's fighting good. That's a decent sized one. All right, man. Whoop. Couldn't talk too soon. I thought I had him in the net. Now I got him in the net. All right. That was about 2 casts after the last one, guys. Let's put the net away this time. All right, look at that. Another good one, guys. Probably about a 3.5 pounder. Awesome. That last one, I don't know why I didn't weigh it. That last one was probably about a 4 pounder. Again, on the Ned. Awesome fish, guys. All right, man. Appreciate the bite, buddy. There we go. Another good one, guys. Maybe about a 3 pounder down there. He's fighting good though, man. I'm gonna let him tire himself out. Yeah, it's easily a 3. Maybe a 4 even. I think it's a 3. All right. Man, after a little bit of a break in the action there, just absolutely killing it now, man. Non-stop. Look at that, guys. Like I said, maybe another, actually maybe more like a, I don't know, 2.5, 3 pounder. But on the Ned rig again. And that, oh man, he's barely hooked. He's not even hooked. And that, look at that Ned. Just completely chewed up, man. But yeah, another good one. Appreciate the bite, buddy. There we go. I'm gonna have to be careful because I just left a drop shot in the water here, hoping to catch one just drifting. This thing might get tangled in it. reel that in real quick. All right, got him. That was a little tricky with all my all my other poles in the water there. All right, man. So another one on the Ned rig. Alright guys, another decent one, another maybe like 2.5 pounder. Excellent fish, man. Appreciate the bite, buddy.